Hello guys, in this video tutorial I would teach you how to post a job on LinkedIn for free. This is a guide step by step and it's really update because it's for 2024. Well, let's start. First of all, we need to click here in LinkedIn official site. We post it and now we wait. For example, if you don't have account, you need to create. And how you create account? Well, it's really simple. How other applications, and for that I will to end the session. Here you can see basically you need to put your email and your password, or with Google or other thing. Here you need to put your country and your city and click here in following. You need to put your here, for example, if you are a student or not. Basically here say your profile, have you already covered new opportunities and people, most recent chart, and I'm a student. For the velocity, I put in here, and I'm a student. You need to click here. For example, your profile helps. It's basically that. For example, educational institution, year of ignition, year of completion of running. I'm over 16 years old, and I'm not a student. For example, you can follow this. I feel it's random. I click here in continue. We wait like a few seconds, and here we can see. Are you looking for a job? Yes, I'm actually looking for a job, not, but you could consider an opportunity to try. No, I'm not interested in any job opportunities. You click here in following. You can put here whatever you want. Here you have application, and you click here in following. And here you are. And it's not for the tutorial, what I can tell you anyway, because for example, here you can start a post trying writing with AI. And you don't need, for example, ChatGPT for that because they try it. For example, you can put hello word and write with AI, and that is for premium, but well, you can have it. But I don't suggest you to do that because some persons can notice and it's not professional writing, for example, post with that. You can do it, obviously, but don't abuse of that because it's weird. Well, here we have my networks, jobs, messages, notifications, me for business, and try for $0. For example, here you can do the next. It's basically follow persons, or here, update the profile. If you are going to post or post a job, I suggest you to update your profile. Why? Because you need that. You need to be professional and you need to be a real person in this work. If somebody notices that you are really new and don't have photo, description, or nothing like that, well, nobody are trusting you, basically, because it's suspicious. Well, now for post a job, we are click here in search. You can put hiring, and you can see all the jobs. But if you want to post a job, you can put, well, here, jobs. You can select your preference. You can see my job, preference, demonstrate skill, interview prep, resume builder, job seeker windows, application settings, and post a job free. For example, here you click on it, post a job free. You click here and you can put a job, obviously. You can select the title, the company, sites, the location. For example, you can delete the location and put other new. For example, here I can put Mexico, or I don't know, well, Mexico. You can put here full-time, part-time, contract, temporary, other, volunteer, internship. I recommend you to be honest with this because, well, it's basically a person needs to know how that person needs to do. For example, you put it's a volunteer, don't put it's a full-time job because it's bad. Here you need to put the company. If you're not a company, well, specific that. And the title. Be more assertive with job title. Why? Because it's better for you. For example, you can do this and help me write for the description. For example, job type. You can put other and help me write a job description. But you need to put your name, for example, here, editor, for example, and shift and company, Mango. You can click here and help me write a job description. And you have it, for example, automatically from AI. If you want to do this more professional, you can copy all of this, go to ChatGPT, and put rewrite this with other prompts, and ChatGPT it's making to you. For example, here, it's a little difference, but works. For example, if you want this more professional, remember, you need to upload your ChatGPT for ChatGPT 4, and that's better for you. You click on here, you copy, go to against or LinkedIn, and paste. You can put the skill editorial, content creator, and editorial calendars. Here, you need to be the more honest possible. I suggest you to do that. For example, you can put here podcast, and we can go to next. And what is the next step? It's basically put your email, but email, well, it's basically one person. It's basically for the description, go store your email. It's really important. Remember that. For example, here we see degree, bachelor degree, ideal answer, yes, must have qualification, yes, of course. How many years work experience do you have with a skill? A skill editorial, ideal answer minimum, must have qualifications. A skill communication, ideal answer minimum, must have qualification. And here, add screening question, background check, driver license, drug test, experience skill, hybrid work, distress experience, and etc., etc., etc. You need to be more honest as possible because it's dangerous. After that, you click on continue, and here, confirm your company email address. You need to put your email address of your company and send code. Well, you need other things. For example, if you don't know how to do basically nothing about that, you only need to be original. And for example, if you need to post something, I suggest you to post something, and that something needs to look a real professional. For that, you can go for here, Canva, and put here LinkedIn. For example, if you see you have a LinkedIn templates and were a lot. For example, I suggest you to have the premium Canva, the old Canva Pro. Why? Because it's better for you. Have more templates. It's better in designs, type, and all that stuff. If you don't have it, you can basically have in the description of the channel, you have several links. One of them are Canva, and well, enjoy it. For example, here, if you click on here, you can customize this template. You can change this one. For example, you only need to delete and put your. And change the color if you don't like. For example, I don't like this color, green. I don't like this color too, remove. I don't want the back end, remove. Animate and that stuff. It's really easy and it's really quickly. And basically that's it. Thanks for watching, and remember, it's better for you to the work more clear possible. For that you have more possibilities at accurate a good freelancer or employer. Now, thanks for watching and subscribe.